crop production and management. So this is the very first topic that we have as far as the CBSE chapters are concerned. In the science, we have crop production and management. So when we talk about crops are very vital, and it is from where we get most of our food items, be it vegetables, be it any kind of things that comes across from plants, rice, wheat. So all this which comes from crops. So it is very much necessary for us to understand what we know, how do we produce a crop and how do we manage the crops. So herein we will see that all living organisms require food. Plants can make their food themselves. Now the thing is, let me tell you, what do you actually mean by a crop? So you can see here, crop is nothing but when plants of same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. So say when you are growing paddy at a very huge scale, that is paddy, the same kind of crop or same kind of plant is grown at a very large scale, that is when I call it as a crop. So now the crops are different types like cereals, vegetables, fruits. They can also be classified based on the seasons they grow. Summer crops, winter crops, everything. And the climatic conditions like temperature, humidity and rainfall vary from one region to another. So according to these, what happens is the crops are being broadly classified into two. One is your kharif crop and one is your rabi crop. Now what is kharif? Kharif is those crops which are sown during the rainy season. And which crops are they? They are like paddy, maize, etc. Then we have the rabi crops. Rabi crops are basically the winter season crops. So winter seasons, what and all you get to eat? You remember peas, then wheat, all these things, grams. So all these things high protein. So all these things we get in the winter. So winter are the rabi crops and kharif crops are the monsoon crops or the rainy crops.